Hello, beautiful. Welcome back. The other day, it hadn't been that long ago, I cashed out some of my BoxyCharm charms and got Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. Now, I had seen this on a couple of different channels. Tati is one that I remember the most, and she talked about how bad it burned. I don't know. So I'm always on the lookout for a lip plumper. This guarantees right on the box. Where is it? It guarantees right here. It's very tiny. That it does say it has hyaluronic acid in it. But if you use it for 30 days, twice a day, your lips will look like, okay, this is the before, and this is the after, if you use it for 30 days, twice a day. So, with my charms, I got this for nothing, but it's $27. It better do something, because my Soap and Glory over there, I use it once a day. Actually, I might use it twice a day. I use it at night, and then I use it on the days that I put on makeup. I use it when I moisturize my face until I get ready to put on lipstick, and sometimes I actually leave it on, and sometimes I put it on over what I want, because it's it calls it clairvoyant clear, but it has a shimmer in it. So this says instant plump, 2 long-term benefits: 15% hydration, 15% plumpness, 13% firmness, and 11% softness. I'm getting a little scared. Oh my goodness, it's not clear, guys. It's lust red. I didn't pay close attention because I can't wear this to bed at night. How am I going to do it 2 times a day? I can't chance this getting on my bedclothes. Instantly plumps your lips in just 3 to 5 minutes while adding a splash of color. Volip and hyaluronic acid is Grande Lips key ingredients, and have been clinically proven to boost hydration, increase volume, increase firmness. And the colors available in original clear and 6 shades. So I'm going to take off my lipstick. Here, I'll bring you in a little bit closer. I love this lipstick. This is Too Faced. It's the Lollipop. And it's actually a lipstick. I'm very tired of matte lips. Okay, so here we go. This is what it looks like. It's not scratchy. This is kind of flexible. Okay, there we go. Let's get my mirror. Three to 5 minutes now. I'm letting you see. What? It's runny. Oh, I like to wear this to bed. It ain't very dark. I get it off my face. Okay. I didn't get it. I ain't very neat with it. Okay. So it's on. It's not the neatest I've ever done. It's kind of watery. Maybe that helps it sink in more. Tati was talking about how much it burned. If I can find that video, I'll link it down below. She did it with, I don't know, some dude. I mean, there's a tingle, but not any worse than Soap and Glory. Let's go ahead and set it my timer for 5 minutes. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is what Tati was talking about, was burning her so. It doesn't burn like Tati said. It's about like Soap and Glory. If you've used Soap and Glory Pillow Plump. I don't see any major thing happening. I don't know. I mean, gloss makes your lips look fuller. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'll wipe it off and y'all can see what it looked like without. Just like it did before I put it on. I don't think my lips have grown any. I like looking at my teeth. They look white. So it's time. So I had on lipstick before and y'all could see. So here's my smile. I don't know. They kind of feel it when I smile. It feels a little duck face-ish. Right in here. I don't really know. I'm not doing anything different. Same old same. I love to see my teeth. They're looking gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to take it off so we can see what it looks like without the lipstick. Like it was, like I did before I put it on. And then we'll put my lipstick that I had back on and see what difference y'all think. And you can just put it down. Y'all can just comment down below and let me know. Okay. This is without it, like I showed you beforehand. I still feel that puffiness right in there. I don't really feel anything on my bottom, but I do on my top. And so this is Too Faced. And I love this color. And it's shiny, but it feels a little gritty going on. Okay, and this is the lipstick I had on, and I had just freshened it before I did the video. I've had my makeup on a few hours. So what do y'all think? See any difference? Bottom lip, on the side. I had to show y'all from the side, then y'all know I have a double chin. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Oh, it's down there on the left somewhere. It's that little red button. It doesn't cost you a thing. Subscribe sounds like you have to pay. You do not have to pay. They ask you to make an account. They'll try to sell you YouTube Red. You just click no thanks. Sign up with your email address. They will send you notices when I upload to your email address, but they don't spam you. Just will send you saying, hey, Velvet Celeste uploaded a new video. And then you can come see me and watch my video and tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like. Tell me what you things you'd like me to do different, or ideas for new videos. I'm open to all of that. And we'll see each other next time. Bye-bye.